Hello everyone, I am on the career page of Franklin. Okay, now see what is the job opening they have offered. So, job opening is for tax specialist, and let's see what is the job description. It will be Hyderabad location for the job. Okay, so if you are comfortable in Hyderabad, then only you apply. And always remember, do not apply by clicking here, always apply through the references so that you get a call very fast. So, we can see that there is a job description preparing sales and use tax return due to state and local jurisdiction for the company in an accurate and timely fashion. Running reports for various countries' indirect tax calculation. Prepare quarterly sales and use tax data for submission to outsourcing firm. Sales and use tax compliance, including reviewing invoices for tax, use tax, in-house return, and gathering data for monthly, quarterly, and annual compliances, checking out to the local state sales and use tax rates periodically, check requests for the sales and use tax liabilities, e-file and tax returns within the due dates, ensure compliances with state and local sales and use tax laws and regulation, need to clear off the audit queries if any from sales and use tax department, analyzing invoicing and data from the tools, preparation or the review of all US federal, state, international, UK, Asia Pacific tax returns as required for Franklin Resources Incorporation and its subsidiary entities. So the form which you will be working on will be 1120. It is a federal form. 1065 partnership form. 5471 interest form. 8621, 8865, 8858, 926, and 1118 corporate and international taxation. Other duties as assigned by the superior. See, always listen out to me for the job description, because I will tell the complication in the job. I will tell if it is job is good to do or not. So do not skip the videos. Okay, so this is like, if you are fresher looking to build your career into taxation, then this job is for you. Okay, you can apply for this job. Do not worry, because they are going to teach you each and everything. So do not get afraid from the technical words or the form's name which I am taking, because these all are techniques that is taught to you in your training. So what are the other responsibilities? Okay, that preparation review of sales use tax form use states, preparation of VAT return of the various countries and filing their respective countries VAT forms. Apart from the sales use tax, VAT candidate will be exposed to preparation of all US federal, state, international tax return as required for the Franklin Resources Incorporation and its subsidiary. Assist with preparation or review of US tax accrual, estimate corporate tax provisions related to international entities, complete other tax compliances, tax research requirement, including participating in social project in support of corporate tax goals and objectives as directed by the international tax managers or international tax managers for the corporate international tax. Preparation of UK Asia Pacific form like CT 600 BR51 RTP forms, Form C, research and application of federal state laws as per court decision to aid in corporate international tax supervisor and international senior managers on all matter to of federal and state taxation. Who is the ideal for this job? Let's see. Education, bachelor's and master degree or equivalent with emphasis in accounting, finance or tax. Completion of basic course work for advantage degree in one for this field. Candidates are also expected to have general accounting background with experience in accounting principles, procedures, and should have experience to interpret financial statement and tax accruals and provision in particular, process knowledge of tax software, implementation of functionality of one source RS and tax system state apportionment, must have advanced computer skills and familiar with Microsoft Office Business, excellent verbal and written communication, accurate with numbers and attention to details, ability to work independently or minimal supervision, ability to exercise independent judgment consistent with department guidelines, ability to organize and prioritize workflow. The job level is individual contributor and work shift will be 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. like as normal job. Okay. So guys, if you are a tax person who has some knowledge into US taxation, then only you should apply for this job, because this is a individual tax taxing. Because Franklin is not into the taxation. Okay, they are having the different business in the US, so you have to prepare taxation for that. So if you don't have the knowledge of the US taxation from earlier job, then it will be very difficult for you to cope up in this company. So if you are having experience earlier in the taxation, or if you have the basic of taxation of US, then you should apply for this job. Okay, thank you so much. Let me know if you are having any kind of doubt.